Hello Jotono, ani mungke tal sampli de Burma, ang hingkangke Chemical Engineering Department o belong kai. Ani experience of College of Hai from 2016 to 2020, it has been an amazing journey. And to sum up, I would say a very memorable journey. I have had days when I had laughed the most. I have had days when I cried the most in this college. Overall, it has been a roller coaster ride. Onek tongthogo o college of Hai yoi onek kichu serengka onek borok bai malaikha and kabangma tribes kabangma jati chiniom to NIT Agartala National Institute of Technology Agartala khobjago. So jot to national level ni students rock across India borok ora phayoi chance mano o college of porina bagai. So ang bonek blessed that ang o college chance mang haporina bagai and o borok ni hoite bo jeng kabang mano serengu because life jeng no any point je kono jaga wo joto ni hoite no jeng sereng na mano and oro jeng different types of people by malayo different culture ni belonging to different caste. So we get to exposure manuta o college of Hai jetang feel khayo that Tripura wo tongai jeta ekta exposure manani nang national level nang phatani dunia nukna hangke o college phaina nangu experience khanya bagai. So ang onek kapal kaham o college of Hai ang experience na kha tai kabang ma dol sanam ka jeta I will call friends for life and kabang ma dol bo mangkha jeta like obviously jeng serungu jotani hoite and onek tongthogo o college chini TPS program rok ango plus picnic rok ango jeta onek mojedar o college ni main events plus chini college moksha advaitam rok bo ango jeta overall it has been a great journey and o jaga chini moksha o anko advaitam rok jeng phatarong ni celebrity artist rok bai bo malayo and jeng phatani o vibe manuta o college tong hore. So overall it has been a very memorable journey which I will be cherishing for lifetime. Thank you NIT Agartala. Ani kokachar mong juniors rongno my message would be that life for ang focus tinta manite sanai. Firstly ang sana musungo chini to value our time. Ang nugo cheng tabuk juniors chini youngsters chung jotana shikla zora and sajago shikla zora o hanga tong thongma bubara he diba. So I'm thinking what I feel is jeng o youngsters so emon hai jeng ekta age group o tongi tongo je jaga wo jeng chini career make bo khaimano and jeng chini career break bo khaimano. So I would like to tell my juniors, I would like to give a message to my juniors that this is a very crucial period of our life and jeta samung jeng alka jaga wo waste khaya tei jeng life o thik jaga wo jeng chini o time no utilize khainya tei eta. And yes, let's not be busy, but let's be very productive. Second thing that I would like to tell my juniors is that to be the best version of yourself. May it be photography, may it be videography, may it be engineering, may it be doctor, anything. Whatever you do in life, become the best out of that. And nang life okay by compete kanya nangya, nang saksak by no compete kaidi. Saksak by compete kaidi in the sense nang miawo je borak tong maniti ni takes a better nang nanaidi. Maybe it is kindness opa nang imano, nang hamsak mawo pa nang imano, porasuna opa nang imano, joto feels so nang jodi no daily saksang no push kainai, saksang no better kaitalang nai, in life o aboni bagay no it will play a very important role in life and definitely you will reach to a very great success in life. And yeah, let's strive to be the best version of ourselves because we all are uniquely and wonderfully created by God. Third thing that I would want to say is be humble. Stay grounded and be humble because nang life o college ni hoite pasangai nang kabang mangai mano life nang you can be a successful engineer, you can be a successful TPS officer, TCS officer pa nang mano nang IAS pa no crack khai nang IAS officer pa nang mano nang kaisa successful entrepreneur pa nang mano nang jesu pa nang mano. And like nang you can achieve great heights in life and once you achieve that great heights borarok like it's been said that borarok kusugangai chang tamo amo sichini real identity. So I want to tell my juniors that nang life just panang di whoever you become in life please stay grounded and stay down to earth because chang siu je buphang ni yarang je suk tola ongkhorjak abu phang sakaba sungno kau. So I would want to wind up saying that stay grounded, stay humble. Thank you so much. Wish you all success in life. Wish you prosperity and jotono tong thogai hamjaklai tonglainani. Let's help each other, let's support each other, let's appreciate each other. Thank you so much. That's all from me.
Ani mongka Albright Sandeburma ang tabuk final year ani branch ka engineering physics integrated BTMT ang abo BTech to paikya tabu ek bosor MTech nongko ani ke ang je jani college experience tabuk to college pati tin khani jani je 4.5 years and integrated course deleno experience to kam NIT habai first year rogo je pula 5 pro ang to agi je school ni phaimani sakti prasar boy tongjagi ase ga tabuk je NIT o phai sini je kaisa oro NIT phai tiprasa family ni tongo a tiprasa family habai खूब experience kaham khani jani je 4.5 years experience खूब kaham as a junior bo senior boy tija kha taw niji na kaisa senior ang junior no kaisa tui matono seng sini kaisa family abono seng tui tono as a leader ke matongo tiprasa family ke sini tiprasa family no tui seng onek kichu chuba chubo khaikya seng NIT theke recently sini Jasmine je bini je hamia shoringai sing aims rohmani abno ti basing help khaikya sini te mandayo je balkung phaimani je abo sang chuba chu khaikya so sing jes khaiman chak singoro je 10% theka sing khayo and this experience has been a good experience sing je o college of phai je ang je experience ba khaimen ab to khub kaham kha ani 4.5 years experience khub kaham nong kha sing je NIT tiprasa family tongai sing je chuba chu khalaimani oroni je sini porashona hoite sini je borogno chuba chu hoite sini borogno help khaimani sini je any je sini not only in studies everything sengoro je NIT phai je experience khaima 4.5 years abo khub kaham kha so ang je nayo je this year jara final rok junior rokbo am dekheno je tiprasan bagi chuba chu do pani bagi je porashona simiya porashona khaibo te borogno chuba chu khainani abo khaile tung hne ang abo koi ke te ani advice ramu chungo je oro je tabuk katal je hapene rok jara 11 12 pori tongo jara ichha je NIT pone mujone rok bong ba advice ramu chungo norok tabung theke prepare rok khadi 11 12 je norok bo branch porna mu chung tam ke porna mu chung bo jaga interested mechanical civil nong je interested so ab 11 12 theke no kaisa norok kaisa prepare khai phedi because je norok first year hap kanke same porano je 12 11 12 pormen abun ma pori phayoro so advice khaina mu chung je tabu 11 12 jara ichha tongo NIT ro porna mu chunai jara engineering khaina mu chungo so kono kam ke por laidi enke jara tabu tongnai rok NIT o jara first second third year rok taw jara final year kanai kono advice na mu chungo je ang nayo je norok kam kun ekloge tui tonglai di jotono kono hingsa tanglai theng nijin borong bisingo porashono help khailai di nije junior rok na advice di kam ke por di bang rok ta khalai di ase class rok abo khub chaya sangnugo ang nijino khai phayom te first second year ro so abo sang senior rok tongoi sang senior kok ma khnao so ang nayo je jara junior tongnai rok ta first year second year final year rok third year rok advice retheng junior rok no class bang rok ta khalai di attendance rok 75% maintain khai tondi because attendance is must because sang nayo sang nugo sing tepra sorok attendance kaya ke year back rok ri jago ab khub chaya so class rok khalai di ke senior rok na bono sanam song je junior rok se tei tonglai di ang bono advice nam chungo ese tau senior ki jara je senior ngai rok third year final year kanai rok borok first second year rok no mono advice ri tongthang jara class khai di attendance kom rok tang di and sang education sara tabuk te sini kuno upai kari kya education is very important ke sang tabuk chin do phano jori thangkang ke sini education ba simi sang tabuk nayo ke abon nam chunga advice je jurina rok no je kam ke por lai di and asek je enjoyment je khai di college life enjoyment banango but at the same time porashona no thikik sha tonglai di abon ang advice nam chungo je junior rok ambai
khulum kacha tono no ani bong Aishri Debborma ang civil engineering branch of pori tongo tabuk ang join khaimani 2016 no tei bahike jani bokal philikti taw thangna nai tong khai ko 2020 te kisa song shibo ang join khaimani kha 2016 no phia ba phaiti mane join khaipruwo kisapan saimalia first year le bahike lai thanga kaisa to engineering porna mujungya bujetan salai iko chakri maya hai hini no kabang phaika dabu bai admission na hana hine phailai yo lokhe sar masa tongo aro admin block ko ge sar no angson ka sar ang jodi no seat rok ya kana hingkai tam khaina hine ge sar sau engineering mani dan nang si yakana ni hin chai tong bui NIT o mana bagai thui tong nang kha yakana hin chai tong go ulo khe ang sir no na hakka sir ang por na mu jungya ke sir sawa no nang pori nai na ba baisha nang nai na ba habi nai gara na ba erpore chai mana life butai of 4 year bai ke lai thang nang chai simanga lakhine erpore khe salsa chini director sir Gopal Mograya bocheng no audio kaisa as a introduction program first year ongni bagi na har kha ge bafru saudo kok thaja chamani je 4 साल माने no naragya this college won't keep you before years on no wrong no pass khairi btech khairi rokhonai so I thought okay fine first year ro I will just go with the flow gang flow by no thanga er pore ke second year of I department of kya er pore ke taisa like on the flow actually kha taisa second year ni shimi but second year to third year was very hectic and again on top of that teachers they I want wishing about students tong mani that who knew much more than us inke borok by cope up khaina ni bonik difficult tong mani and on top of that exam to and amon hectic ek din salsa pano chungno gap riya oti khano kap bai hawa khagi ma pori laikha ke engineering drawing khaimani drawing to hor hur ai ui kap lai mukti bai kungti bai inke the college ni events most memorable है के college ni जो तो event the first year rogo but second year rogo changje khaimani tech fest rogo and there like you get to learn much more things apart from the academic things so anga sang sanamu chungan junior rong no je 4 years bhai ke lai thang ke puno chaimiya just utilize it in like in a very nice way they teachers rok by interact khai di kaham kereng khe tong di they okra chakra no respect riwi tong di wala shok lai tang lai di joto bani mili tong lai di asang no ani satai angani manai rong no te ko juniors rong na anga sang sana mu jongo je o college o saimano jeng je chini bukung bara rok chen kicha depress kan khaija go chini ro wansa tipra enong go haifano aro ni bising tipana chen kasawi phaina nangnai bujiya hinke teachers rong no sengna nangnai bui father ni bai ba jotoni ni bai involve bung lai se kaham ke se eglugi se thangnai oboni ni ani hni kre phai ka ro shrangi thangna bagi se jeng ke abono ni senior rong no respect khai tong di ek time on tag nang bo senior jeng nai so respect your junior nang junior no respect rikhena se nang senior ni theke bo nang manai asung nani sathai kaham kren ke paile
ani mungke Supriya Dapurma ang final year student NIT Agartala poriwo te ani branch ke electrical engineering so angani experience ni kok sana musung na angani mak tham logi no ang che mention khaina musung na mak tham ya timu bu tongo but hai kono jeta ki a life changing experience tong mane first ani masa logi jeni bagai ang sports so hapka actually ate ya je ang age sports thing ya ni ang age thangka but the thing is ang kasara bondo khai dika but bo bai phaima pore it's like first year to till now final year ang continue khai tongo ani te masa logi bo ke Bihar ni মানে it's a very awkward money যে আঙ্গো বাই লগি ইং মানি মানে অনেক unconditional time আঙ্গো লগিং খা actually দে আমি তে মাসা লগিং খা বো বাই খা আং সঙ্গি সিমায়া যে আঙ্গো বাই লগি ফান ইং মানে from first year ang song kaje mo buri ang jibo login ma lag but I don't know how ang ko login thang taw khai ning fair wala phenge ang si phaliya mane asal jora bonding thang ter ka puta about the advice ang mo sanai first year especially for first year bujon no sanai no na first year onek easy norok pa chagai no score khaimano 9 pointer 8 pointer trust me ihi ati kunu ya onek ta fungo score khaina ni onek ta fungo sometime ching beshi back ching first year no sang manu because my first year college of fine पर oh 12 पाई का 80% 90% ching score khai ka te to mo college hain score dong no it's not like that and NIT Agartala ating ya pointer si kok sau ning pointer combine ni knowledge kabang phan ung thu no you have to score your pointer ang mo na sanai te jotono na hambai thank you
hello everyone ani bung Pradik Kandeporma ani branch electrical engineering I am currently NIT Agartala poritongo college of first of Hypro आं हाई फिल खायगा जे कॉलेज अनेक इंटरेस्टिंग नाय लाइक पूरा फिल्म लोनी का हायंग नाय बट तामुंग खाओ कॉलेज हायम पूरा सिनेरियो चेंज होंगे थांगा लाइक सीनियर फर्स्टली तो सीनियर नो बेला है किरिमानी ताई सीनियर रक एमन साव लाइक पढ़ना नांगनाय और काम के पढ़ना नांगा आराम के लाई थांगमान पो किच्चा परीक्षा लाई थांगमान बट आम तिया सीन हिंगा आलादा से नों कवर हायके मा पढ़नाय एकदम कवर हायके मा पढ़नाय पॉइंटर स्पीक्स बिफोर एनीथिंग एल्स ताई कैसे और फाय आंगम बसरंगा जे मैनेजमेंट ताम नो हिन जेट पब्लिक रो बाय पिटिके तंग सीनियर नो ताम रेस्पेक्ट रिना नांग ताई सोशल कंडीशन जों और फाय अनेक सरंगा लाइक जों विभिन्न चिनी स्टेट जों विभिन्न प्रॉब्लम्स फेस खायो बाक्साबार सा खामियांगै रां रकमायांगो जों बरनो चुबाखा आरुन बिसिङाव कैसे बुं आं नाना मुसुंगो जेसमिन देबरमानी जों बनो चुबाखा किसे मिसा रिलाय जों अराउंड 30 to 40,000 रां रिलाय जों बनो चुबाइखा तारपरे हिंगे इंटरेस्टिंग और तेबो प्रोग्राम संगो चिन फ्रेशर्स संगो जों आं एमन कैसे बरक आं आगे स्कुल मुसि मोसायाखो बोरैबो करि चिन स्कुल आगे हिंगाय और फायै बोरैरो गासि मा मोसासो फास्ट so that's another experience in my life that you should know how to behave with girls and all like that arbo srungmano like tai hinga dolog bai moja khainani ang agi 10 tan pore nokhaya college of phaya pore 3ta jarogbo tongkai mon din tongo o campus no bike kalai gure laijak accident bong kha dolog hingai onek ups and downs phaiga te kaisa kok sanamu juma hingai angumsung sanamu juma like nung jesik pano life earn khai tongdi crores millions na rangman tongdi but kisha down to earth tongdi tapokdi chini basic chini culture chini heritage tapokdi amsuna hambai ang advice ko sanamu sungo or je poriya ba or je tak pori tonai borno bang kase kok sanamu sungo NIT Agartala onek big institution oro nung scope onek gomano nung khaine ko onek khaimano but ang kase kok sanamu sungo life for boundary start only day life for success kinda hanga you have to think out of the box type nung je jaga interest nung arono bishi focus kaidi it doesn't mean that nung engineering kaina job kaina simini ni focus as tonde you can do so many things you are an engineer you are a technician nung world no build khayo you have the potential to build the world why can't you just go in some other fields like you know I'm not saying that kaisa jagao simit tongdi but nungni exposure nok world dot langkhani tai kaisa advice ngai pora suna to thik ma to nai but kisa misa enjoy be khai thanga anga because college life pai khanga nang enjoyment khaina time bangala amsuna advice tetam sasanai hambai gotono